And so my last question to you is like, well, so when should someone be considering, like, when should they be like, hey, I need to call Gisselle and talk to her about this? What's a good time?
I would say trigger points would be if you're feeling ill, if you have just been diagnosed with cancer, or if you've been diagnosed with some terminal illness, or just something that's pretty serious, or if you're going into surgery soon. I would say you need to make an estate plan, make sure you have your affairs put together. Another trigger point would be traveling. Let's say that you just want to go on a trip to, the Middle East somewhere, or you want to go to Spain or Greece, or anywhere. If you want to travel to Hawaii or even Nevada, our state, and the state next to us, you want to make sure that you are covered with an estate plan, because if something happens when you're out of town, especially on a flight, you need to consider that. So that's another trigger point. Obviously, when you're approaching your later years in life, you want to make sure that you while you have capacity, mental capacity, while you're still of sound mind, that you're able to still execute documents. That's a good time to start thinking, well, I need to put my affairs in order. That would be it. I would say those are the trigger points that would really tell you it's time to get your estate plan put together.
Giselle, you covered a lot, and I know it's only been like a certain amount of time. But is there anything I missed that you really want us to you want to share, you want to cover, or?
Yeah, I mean, I think you hit it in the nail as far as what we discussed here today. I would just say don't let your youth and your health deceive you. I've had people that work out come in the office at the age of 30, and even personal trainers come in, fit bodies and such, and they come in and they want an estate plan because they were just diagnosed with cancer and then they died 2 weeks later. So
Wow.
I would say don't let your health and your youth deceive you. I would say just put something together. It's worth the time and money. And like I said, you can continue to update it as time passes. It's not something that you can't change later.
Okay. Wow, that's sobering. Well, Giselle, thank you so much for this. I definitely want to. This is just a quick overview. We covered a lot. I know each of these topics needs their own video, and I'm sure we're going to definitely do something together. Now that I'm a little bit more educated, I'm going to ask you more deeper questions next time. So,
Absolutely.
where can they find you? And the book, how far along is it? I'm just curious.
Yeah, no, I started it. I would say maybe another year and a half before, maybe two. Who knows? We get so busy in law, right? But this is what I love to do. I love to write. Um, yeah, that's the timeline on that.
Awesome. And what about your socials? Where can someone find you?
Absolutely. So online legacy-lawyers.com, or they can always email contact at legacy-lawyers.com, or
And
just
we're going to
online.
throw the links up anyway, so that way it'll be easy.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
Yeah.
Are you on Instagram or anything else, or just the
I do
two?
have a page, Legacy Counselors at Law on Instagram. You can definitely follow me there.
So I'll definitely post all of it up so that everyone can find it, because I know people are going to want to definitely talk to you. You're definitely a strong person and an amazing depth of knowledge here. So definitely want to make sure people follow up with you.
Thank you, Sanjay, for that. I appreciate that.